with Jordan Bunagan na because why I try to accuse Jordan Bunagan because killing is really bad. I know, right? Because I know this is hard to say, Jordan Bunagan. Don't say about kill. You know what will be happen to yourself or even your family, or if your family die, if your father die, or who will take care of you? Oh, you know, Jordan Bunagan, oh, you should change yourself. Ayusin mo sa sarili mo. You know, my friend David Gill was not right there also. So he said to me, oh, ayusin mo sa sarili mo. Do not force Shania Kiana to try to kill me, that I feud with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. For me, Jordan Bunagan, I never supposed to kill Best Pills. When me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, the guy who's a fanatic of Tahanang Pinakamasaya and is a certified kapuso, oh, we are not enemies, me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. That time, me and Best Pills, we reconcile each other. Oh, before I reconcile with Paula Nunez, before I reconcile with Teacher May, Tiburcio, oh, I reconcile everyone. You know, Jordan Bunagan, okay, I apologize to you. I call you abnormal. I call your art is very stupid and ugly. You know, this is hard to say. Don't do that to David Gill and his family. Oh, you know, if you try to kill David Gill and his family, oh, that will be your consequence, Jordan Bunagan. Oh, what will be happen if Joel Ferrer, that was the uncle of David Gill, have discovered, oh, what happened to my nephew David Gill? What happened to my nephew uh, Gerard Gill? Oh, what happened to my sister Annie Gill? Or what happened to my brother-in-law Mr. Dennis Gill? Oh, you killed them, Jordan Bunagan. Oh, that will be your consequence. Oh, if that Tito Joel Ferrer, that was uncle of David Gill, will react. Oh, at least he was right there in lawyer or in Ferrer Law Office or in Cubao. But Bill Galang knows everything in the Google Map. Oh, don't do that to David Gill and his family. Apologize to David Gill and seek a apology letter. You print your own laptop, send it to the LBC or something, and then you send it to the LBC to the mailman that that apology letter. It came from Jordan Bunagan, and David Gill's father, Mr. Dennis Gill, will react. And I said, oh, I forgive Jordan Bunagan, and I hope he will never supposed to say that again. Oh, killing is really bad. Oh, do you want to be like Benjamin Netanyahu, Jordan Bunagan? Do you want to be like Paulo Cruzada? Or do you want to be like Bongbong Marcos? Oh, killing is bad, Jordan Bunagan. Oh, look at me. Oh, I never supposed to kill everyone. Oh, me, I never supposed I kill Paula Nunez. I never to say kill G. Macasandil. That was a uncle of Paula. I never to say that when me and Paula Nunez were in enemies, I never supposed to kill. Oh, never. Oh, for example, when me and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, when we're in enemies, oh, I never supposed to say kill. You know, Jordan Bunagan, Killing is really bad. Masama po yan. You know, if you kill David Gill and his family, I say to Jordan Bunagan, you will be happen to Janice, who killed the Magwad siblings. If you watch MMK, I know you are kapamilya, Jordan Bunagan. You watch ABS-CBN, MMK. I'm always to be kapamilya, kapuso, and kapatid. In TV5, all the channels I watch there in YouTube. Oh, you will be happen to yourself, Jordan Bunagan. And you have to stop saying kill, kill, kill. Oh, what will be happen if you kill Mr. Dennis Gill and Mrs. Annie Gill, even Gerard, even David Gill? Oh, you will be happen to Magwad. Oh, you remember I searched in the internet, Jordan Bunagan, parricide, it's not a bail. It's a reclusion perpetua. For almost 50 years, you will be imprisonment, life of imprisonment. Oh, who will make a dollar anyway? Oh, your family. Oh, they will send you to the BJMP together with Vitaly Srodevsky. Oh, the Russian blogger who pranked the Filipinos. Oh, he imitate the GTA. Do you want to be like Vitaly Srodovsky, Jordan Bunagan? Oh, you have to stop to say kill, kill, kill. You know, me and Jardino, we're aware from the words to say kill. Why I accuse you, Jordan Bunagan? Why I criticize against you? Oh, killing is really bad.